Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about a super simple way to get your motivation back easily. That's right, if you don't feel motivated and you are a type of person, you are like generally the type of person that feels motivated, but right now you don't feel motivated and you want to get your motivation back easily, this is the method for you. It is a super simple way and it seems to work really well. And if I am ever in a situation where I don't feel motivated, I would make use of this method as well. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to tell you exactly what the method is. It's very simple. All that you need to do to get your motivation back easily, the super simple method, is the following. All that you have to do is you have to set a tiny achievable goal and achieve it. Get it done. Achieve that goal. Okay? Now, when you set a tiny achievable goal, even if it's so minuscule, even if it's so easy, even if it's just a minimal goal, okay, and you achieve it, you're going to get a little bit of your motivation back, hopefully. Okay? And then what do? You repeat the process. Set another tiny achievable goal and achieve it. Wow, you have more motivation back now. Once again, another tiny achievable goal. Achieve it. Oh, look, you're getting motivated again. You feel motivated again. That's what you have to do. Now, here's the beauty of this, okay? You can basically set any tiny achievable goal and achieve it, and it should hopefully help you. It will hopefully help you get your motivation back. It doesn't even have to be something about productivity or something about work or something about education, like learning, or something about betterment. It can be anything, okay? So, for instance, if you like playing video games, literally set a goal to beat this one level. And maybe that level is going to take you 5 minutes. Maybe it's such a tiny goal. And maybe it's such an easy level, right? Super achievable. Take 5 minutes, beat that level. But because you set the goal of doing that, you're going to feel more motivated. I'm going to be honest with you. I play video games regularly. I probably play about maybe 5 hours a week on average. I don't play every day, but sometimes I'll play for like 20 minutes. Sometimes I'll play for an hour and a bit. But generally speaking, probably about 5 hours a week, give or take. But I treat my video games like a task. So I enjoy playing them, and the enjoyment and the fun is always there. But I try to I'm going to try and further myself in this game towards beating it. I'm going to beat 3 levels tonight. I'm going to beat 1 level tonight. And by doing that, I always feel motivated. So literally, I'm playing video games, and when I'm done playing the video game, I'm super motivated. And it's just a video game. How can you be motivated by beating a level in a video game? Well, because I turned it into a goal. So if you ever feel unmotivated, set a tiny achievable goal and achieve it. You hopefully feel a little bit motivation come back. Then set another tiny achievable goal and achieve it. Hopefully feel more motivation. And eventually you're going to get a lot of motivation, and you can then move on to these bigger goals that require a lot more motivation. So you can set these huge goals that are, focused on productivity and focused on betterment. And you can say oh, my goal now that I'm motivated is I'm going to work out for an hour and a half today. Boom. Now you're onto these huge goals and you have your motivation back. It's just a matter of starting small and using that to fuel to the bigger. Okay? That's it. Just start small and use those small wins to fuel towards the bigger wins. That's basically it. Hopefully you can make use of it. Hopefully you like this video. And other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this video. And honestly, I feel like I'm blabbing on. So for real, I'm not going to talk anymore. I promise. I'm done. Hopefully you like the video. I've got nothing else to say. Nothing else at all. So for real, without further ado and without blabbing on, here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.